Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome to my channel. What is zone in a warehouse? A warehouse zone is an area within a warehouse that is designated for a specific purpose or type of activities. For example, a warehouse might have a zone for receiving, where incoming shipments are checked and unpacked. A zone for storage, where finished goods are kept before they are shipped out. And a zone for picking, where orders are assembled. Warehouse zones are typically organized in a way that is intended to maximize efficiency and productivity by grouping together related activities and minimizing the need for the employee to travel long distances within the warehouse. So, in an enterprise resource planning ERP system, the warehouse management module is responsible for controlling and managing the warehouse zone. So, this zone includes features such as storage type, storage sections, storage bin setup, and storage unit type. That's all for my sharing in today's video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channels and turn on the notifications bell so that you can be notified when I upload a new video. Once again, my name is Vivienne. Have a great day and I see you in my next video.